we finally have an in-depth look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, revealing its full design and exciting new features such as satellite SOS. This information includes specifics about its weight, thickness, and camera enhancements, particularly for video recording. Let's dive into the details. Recently, Leaker on Leaks unveiled the full design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and to many, it comes as no surprise that it closely resembles the S24 Ultra, especially at the back, where the camera layout remains unchanged. This consistency suggests that Samsung may have reached a design limit with its camera setups. Unlike some competitors that utilize a camera island, Samsung sticks with individual lens designs, which I find more aesthetically pleasing. It's refreshing that Samsung isn't introducing unnecessary changes, such as adding a dedicated camera button, which would only clutter the overall design. Upon closer inspection, the camera ring design seems to echo that of the Z Flip series, although it lacks the distinct grooves. The corners of the S25 Ultra have been chamfered, which could make it more comfortable to hold. However, I still prefer the boxier designs of earlier models. A standout feature is the bezels, which are the thinnest ever seen on a smartphone, even slimmer than those on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This design choice not only looks sleek but also enhances the overall viewing experience. Turning to the camera specifications, many reviewers have noted that while iPhones excel in video recording, Samsung is known for its photography prowess. The S25 Ultra aims to change this narrative. Reports indicate that video recording capabilities have been significantly enhanced, confirmed by multiple sources. These improvements come from software optimizations and a more advanced image processor, while still retaining the impressive 200-megapixel main sensor. The ultra-wide camera has also seen an upgrade from 12MP to 50MP, allowing for better cropping without losing detail, which is particularly useful for macro shots and enables 8K video recording. However, there's a disappointing aspect regarding the telephoto lens. Initial rumors hinted that the S25 Ultra would feature a 50MP 3x telephoto camera, but it appears Samsung will continue with the same 10MP 3x telephoto lens from the S21 Ultra. As someone who enjoys capturing 3x zoom shots, I had hoped for an upgrade that would enhance portrait details and overall image quality, which is a missed opportunity. On a positive note, the S25 Ultra is lighter than its predecessor, weighing in at just 219 grams compared to the S24 Ultra's 233 grams. This weight reduction makes a noticeable difference, especially considering it maintains the same battery capacity. In comparison, the iPhone 16 Pro Max weighs 227 grams. Additionally, the S25 Ultra is the thinnest Ultra phone ever, measuring just 8.2 millimeters thick, a significant reduction from the S24 Ultra. The screen is slightly wider, but thanks to the thinner bezels, the device feels more compact and easier to hold. Lastly, the S25 Ultra will support satellite communication, a feature initially planned for the S24 Ultra but ultimately scrapped. This feature will likely be limited to emergency use without two-way communication, which is somewhat disappointing. For current S24 Ultra users, the upcoming One UI 6.1.1 software update is on the way, promising to enhance your device's capabilities. Overall, the Galaxy S25 Ultra combines a familiar design with significant improvements in performance, making it an exciting addition to Samsung's lineup.